In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble the Alba Montessori Children's Wardrobe. Assembly should take less than 30 minutes. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, and it is recommended that you assemble the wardrobe on a carpeted surface. You should have received a back panel, a middle panel, a left panel, a right panel, a top shelf, a bottom shelf, a toe piece, one wide shelf, 4 short shelves, a dowel, 4 wooden pegs, 20 metal pins, and 4 long screws. First, we will attach the toe to the bottom shelf. Turn the bottom shelf upside down and insert the tabs on the toe into the wider side of the slots on the shelf. Turn the shelf on its side and push down on the toe to lock it in place. The edges of the toe and the bottom shelf should now be flush. Alternatively, if you purchase the stout legs model of the wardrobe, simply twist the legs into place on the bottom shelf. All other steps in this video will be the same whether your wardrobe has legs or a toe piece. Next, attach the middle panel by inserting the tabs into the wider side of the slots on the shelf. Push down on the middle panel to lock it in place. The bottom shelf and the middle panel should be flush. If the edges are not flush, like this, remove the middle panel and rotate it 180 degrees. Insert the tabs and push down on the middle panel to lock it in place. If it is difficult to make the edges flush by hand, it is a good idea to use a rubber mallet. Or if you don't have a mallet, you can use a hammer with a scrap block to protect the parts. Now we will attach the top shelf. Insert the tabs on the middle panel into the wider side of the slots on the top shelf. Push down on the middle panel to lock it in place. Next, we will attach the right side panel, which has these 3 shallow holes. Be sure to install it on the longer side of the shelves. Insert the tabs on the top and bottom shelves into the wider side of the slots on the right side panel. Push down on each of the shelves to lock them in place. Tilt the wardrobe so the right panel is on the bottom, like so. Insert the tabs on the back panel into the slots on the middle panel. Attach the left side panel by guiding each of the tabs into the proper slots. When the tabs and slots are lined up, push down on the side panel. Carefully tilt the assembly back down. Push down on the shelves to lock the left side panel in place. Tilt the wardrobe right side up to install the remaining parts. Install the shelves by inserting 4 pins per shelf into the holes at the desired height. With the slots facing down, set one of the shelves on the pins and push down. The slots on the bottom of the shelf should fit onto the pins. Install the remaining short shelves at the desired heights. Install the wide shelf at the top or bottom of the right side, like so. If you would like a shelf that is slanted backward, simply lower the back pins by 1 or 2 holes and reinsert the shelf. On a slanted shelf, only the front 2 pins will fit into the slots. Install the dowel at any of the 3 height settings by inserting it into the open hole on the middle panel, guiding the other side into the shallow hole on the right side panel, and pushing down. To install the wooden pegs, insert a long screw into one of the pre-drilled holes on either side panel. Using a screwdriver, Tighten the screw until it is all the way through, like so. Now twist a wooden peg onto the screw. Hold the screw still with the screwdriver while twisting the peg by hand. Congratulations! You've just assembled your Alba Montessori children's wardrobe. To secure the wardrobe to a wall using the hardware provided, please refer to our wall bracket installation video.